Current sociological literature within Australia deals with how social class is a constraining facet to individual mobility and how class hierarchy is proliferated through a variety of mediums. Authors place emphasis on how educational institutions and geographical location reinforce middle-class values and practices and produce stigmas to those who are perceived to be in the lower class. Therefore, they argue that individuals within their lifetimes are unable to undermine stratification, and working class status will be maintained intergenerationally. Not only, other articles deal with class stratification through technology, specifically the internet for young people. They posit that privileged groups are advantaged by digital means through access and ability to utilize this medium. However, a gap within this literature is the dismissal of how there can be social flexibility between classes through individuals exercising their agency to move up the social ladder.
The specific research problem that Group C are focusing on is how there can be flexibility within the Australian class system despite the perception of a lack of mobility. Current research focuses more on the constraints suffered by class status than on the thing that could provide mobility. Therefore, we are aiming to find this thing.
Research through a methodological pluralistic approach should be utilised, whereby qualitative and quantitative techniques will uncover the ways in which individuals can overcome assumptions about class and progress through the hierarchy. Within the qualitative realm, we will employ structured interviews with 40 people who are from low socio-economic areas, and the quantitative will be gathered through surveying 200 people from different socio-economic backgrounds.
Group C proposes that responses from the qualitative interviews will believe that these individuals will have the opinion that there is flexibility, however it is difficult to attain due to structural reasons such as a lack of educational qualifications. In the quantitative survey, the projected general trend would be that social stigma and generational background would play a large part in dictating class structures within a socially constructed Australia. In reply to DC's financial support project, Group C encourages that funding be allocated to social class in order to foster greater enrichment and belonging to the Australian community. Our organisation, Group C, aims to expose and research how class flexibility could be the key to finding the root of social exclusion. That's why you should fund our research.